this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this center step card using the Prettiest Birthday bundle. So here is the Prettiest Birthday bundle. It has this lovely banner and balloon banner along with some fun little gifts for the birthday recipient. I love this label die. So pretty, and then I love the font for the sentiments, the scripty font, so pretty. So we're going to incorporate a lot of these elements in this card, but first I'm going to show you the template that I created for a center step card. So here's the template. This is, let me get my Sharpie out, a regular 5.5 by 8.5 inch card, so a regular size card base, and then I have cut it first. So I have cut it in at 1 inch in, and I've started at 3/4 of an inch down to 7.5 inches. And it looks like I have some adhesive here. And then I have turned it over, and I have scored at 3/4 of an inch on the outside, 4.25 on the inside, and then 6.5 and 7.5 on the outside. So do a little freeze frame, take a photo, and then you'll have this template. And I will post this template on my blog as well. So I am going to take you through the steps to cut this as well, so you can see exactly how it is done. So I'm going to get out my Stampin' trimmer, and I'm going to get out my 5.5 by 8.5 piece of Highland Heather cardstock, and I'm going to enter it into my trimmer at 1 inch on the side there. And then I'm going to scroll this down to 3.25 inches right here, 3.25 inches, and then set it down. Make sure this is at 1 inch, 3.25 inches. And I'm going to cut this all the way down to 7.5 inches. I'm going to scoot this up so you can see, 7.5 inches. And then lift up, scoot this over to 1 inch on this side, lay this down. It's at 7.5. Scoot it all the way up to 3.25 inch right there. Okay, so lift it up. Okay, we're not going to use the blade anymore. We're going to put this at 3.25, and we're going to use the scoring tool, and we're just going to score the outside at 3.25. So the outside and the outside. And then we're going to we're going to need this little arm here. So we're going to pull this out. Oh, I forgot to remove the plastic on this, so that's why. I'm just going to remove the plastic real quick. I don't know why, but it bothers me. La, la. When it comes with plastic on it. Not very strong. Okay, there we go. Okay. So now we're going to bring it to 6.5, which is, oh, I'm sorry, we need to do 4.25 first. 4.25, because we need to do the inside score line. So here's the inside score line, 4.25. Now we do 6.5, and that's our outside, and 7.5. Our last one is our outside. Now we've got all of our score lines. Looks good. We can close this up, put this aside, and we're going to fold. So I'm going to do a mountain fold first, and then another mountain fold, and then this is the only valley fold, and then a mountain fold. And then I should be able to press it down flat grab my bone folder, make sure everything's nice and creased. And there's your center step card. So you've got this center area. So now I can decorate. So you can decorate with designer series paper, or you can decorate with cardstock, and I stamped the cardstock. So that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to decorate with stamped cardstock. So I've got my pieces here. I've got this long piece, which is 5 3/8 by 7/8. And then I've got these two pieces right here, which are 7/8 by, let me double check this one, by 3 1/8 inch. So I've got two of those. And then I've also got my center pieces here. These will go right here. And so I'm gonna stamp all of these. So the first one I'm gonna stamp, I'm gonna bring a scrap piece in. I'm gonna stamp some cakes. So I'm gonna do cakes on all of these. And I'm going to do them in Balmy Blue. I need to clean off my cake stamp because I just used white on it, so I need to clean that off. Okay. Okay, make sure that's all nice and clean. So we'll do some cake. Oh, I was supposed to do pool party. Flip. Let's do pool party. This is supposed to be pool party. So let's clean this off again. And pool party, there we go, that looks better. Pool party. It's the party. You know that song? All right, so there we have our cakes ready to be attached. Now we need some balloons. So I think I need to clean off the balloons. And we're going to stamp the balloons also in Pool Party on white. Lots of balloons, lots of fun. There we go. And then we have our sentiment in Highland Heather. Love this sentiment. Wishing you the happiest of birthdays. And I've already stamped and cut out the cake. So now we have all of our elements and we can put them together. So I'm gonna start with the sides and just tuck them in here. this is on dimensionals, this is on dimensionals, and then I've already stamped and cut out a banner that's on dimensionals. So let's see, the banner gets mini dimensionals, and then the cake gets a big dimensional. So we'll start with this lovely sentiment. Put that right there in the middle. And we've got our cake. Just add here in the bottom. And then we've got our cool banner that we can put across here, like that. And now we've got our center step card, and these are fun because you can prop them up like this, and they're just a fun, different kind of card that you can have. I'm offering a card class on the Prettiest Birthday, and it consists of 6 cards. So we've got this design, and this design, and this design. You can earn it for free when you purchase the bundle, or when you place a $30 order. Just use my March Hostess code when you go to my website, and just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other videos on the Prettiest Birthday bundle. I'll see you next time. Bye.